Hi, it's Matt with the Linda Maguire Team, back for our monthly market update. So we'll jump right into the numbers. We'll say overall things are looking positive in the real estate market, taking a look at the numbers at least. Things are coming up for the most part, and I think more people are getting comfortable with the new way of conducting business. So that's wearing a mask, wearing gloves, sanitizing everything, signing health disclosures to go see homes. And because all these regulations and things are in place, procedures, people are getting a little more comfortable with that. And you'll see that in the numbers we show you today. So taking a look first at sales activity, which is the number of homes sold, was up about 80% from April to May. And that's huge. I mean, it's not like we're back up to the normal numbers where we were, but that's a big jump and it's really increasing right now. So that's good to see. And on the other side of things, looking at new listings, we were up a lot, not quite that much, but they were up 55%. So that's really important because both sales activity and new listings dropped off a significant amount when we had the pandemic hit in March and even into April. And in January, February, there was a lot of demand out there, like we've talked about, and not a lot of supply. So those numbers of supply keep dropping, but now they're starting to come back up, which is good for the market. We'll take a quick look at this chart here, which shows you a bit of a representation of what's going on a day-to-day basis. So taking a look at the blue line, that's showings that are occurring in the market every day. So you can see in the middle of March when the pandemic hit and lockdown was announced, things died right off. I mean, they pretty much stopped. And in the middle of April to the end of April, you can see things started to increase a little. And again, that's partially those procedures that were put in place and people getting a little more comfortable with the safety side of things. And now looking at May, especially the last 2 weeks of May, there's been huge increases in showings as well as the big increases in sales activity and new listings that we just talked about. And finally, taking a look at average price. So from April to May, the average price was up about 3%. And that's good to see as well, along with all the other numbers we've looked at. Keep in mind though, in April, there were a lot of sellers or buyers that were stuck in a situation where they had to sell or they had to buy, and that would affect price a little bit. And we also did see a bit of a dip in the April prices compared to March. But it's good that things are coming back up along with the rest of the market when we looked at the activity. Overall, we are seeing on a day-to-day basis that there are more listings, there are more showings being booked, there are more buyers coming out of the woodwork that were going to put their home search on hold through all of this. So all in all, I think it's good and it's healthy to see that the real estate market is increasing and getting up there again, coming back to where it was, slowly of course, and safely most importantly. So that's all for today. Hope that was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. We're happy to help. All right, see ya.